How to remove CapCut watermark from video without upgrading into CapCut Pro. We'll just be using only one app to remove all kinds of watermark, maybe CapCut, TikTok or YouTube watermark, but we are going to be trying CapCut watermark removal right now. Let's head over to my file to check out a video with CapCut watermark and try and remove it. Here on my file, we are going to click on this particular video. This video have a CapCut watermark right here. We are going to try and remove it without paying any money. We head over to the Play Store, Google Play Store, and searching add and remove watermark. This is going to be the app we are going to be using. We click on open and select video. We can also remove watermark from images, but we are going to remove from video this time around. Remove watermark, select speaker, then you choose the particular video which you want to remove the watermark from. Here is the video. Now we just have to carry this scale and make it cover the area where the watermark is located. Here, just like this. Now this is the video. We just have to click on save, and this app is going to help us automatically remove the watermark with no problems or spoiling the video quality. We just have to wait a little bit for it to process it and remove it completely. As we can see here, it is said processed successfully. Let's go check it out on our file. Here on our file, we can see the video. We click on it. This time around, it has no watermark. Let's check again. This is the real video with the watermark. Look at it here, up here, and this one with no watermark. I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel and also like the video. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.